Hey creators, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kira, if you didn't already know, and you are tuned in to Creatively Kira. So today we are building a garden, right?
Yes. Oh.
She did things. So right now we're drilling holes in the buckets so we can start planting things, and this is exciting. I didn't do anything else I was supposed to because I was waiting on people, but hey,
Because you were sleeping.
I was waiting on people.
Oh my gosh, this is wonderful. I'm so excited.
So the buckets have holes now. All of these have holes, and then the top, and then that one has holes. That's for the worm composting. Yeah.
So this one we have to put screen in the bottom and screen over these holes.
So the holes are just so they can breathe.
This is so they can breathe. This is so that the compost tea can squeeze through.
Tea.
That's what it's called. On the plants drink it. Hello. Okay, give me that bucket.
This one?
Yes.
What's this bucket for
So
me?
this is what the worm composter will look like. That goes in there, this goes there, this goes on here. There'll be screen inside of here, the worms, and
Ew. I'm not making.
we throw the food in here. Put the worms at the bottom. And then we throw food in here with paper. Alright. Yay, I'm so happy. Okay, my compost is done.
What's that top?
Your dad wanted an extra top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we have 6 buckets, and we have more than 6 buckets worth of plants. Alright, it's time to mix the soil.
How do we mix the soil, Miss Ma'am?
I don't know, because the guy said that when we open that bag, it's going to explode out.
You opened it.
No, the bottom bag.
So what about the mix? Derrits? You can hear my dog. She's in the window. She wants to come outside, but she can't because the grass is getting cut. I'm trying to put the glove on my hand, but right now we're dirty. I'll show you the mixing process because I have to help and I can't.
Composting. We put in the composting. They have I told you they have different kinds. One where you can like put it in there and mix it like he was talking about. We get to play.
Buckets up with the mixture of, what's this?
It's Pro Mix growing stuff.
With a grow thingy, topsoil, and compost mix. The dog is mad. So now we have planters. Should the planters have holes in them? Huh? Should the planters have holes in them? Should the planters have holes in them?
Yes.
Oh my gosh. This is some pretty lighting. I love the sunset lighting. So what's this one?
This is a tomato.
This is tomate. I don't like tomate, so yeah. But this is tomate.
It gets a cage.
The tomate gets a cage. Need help? Ouch.
Well, it's supposed to be close on the bottom. All right.
Sumatra with the Sumatra cage.
So it can fly and go around this.
Yay! We'll play there.
Take it over there on the thing?
Yes.
Over on the patio thing?
Yeah, you can.
Huh?
We need to water them too. Yes.
So, oh shit. You know what's going in this one yet?
Strawberries. My chair.
She stole my chair.
I stole my chair back.
She stole my chair. Oh, strawberry. Please make me strawberry.
Yes. So this is lettuce. These are all lettuce actually.
We have lettuces that are going lettuces that are going in the thing
Where's the phone?
right here. We have our wagon that we got for a penny.
A penny.
Are these two different lettuces?
Yes.
What type of lettuce is one of these are made?
Yeah, the one here is.
I'm just doing this.
Lettuces. Rebel can reach that. We now have this one. This is for onions. I don't eat onions. I don't like onions. Unless they're like really, really small to where I'm not noticing them. They're filling that bucket over there, but we're running out of dirt in there, so we're gonna have to make some more mix. That's lettuce done. Oh, he took the strawberry. It's the doggy. Hi, Pepper. Welcome to the garden. Oh, this is wet. He watered it. Yeah, so we're in the garden right now. now we're gonna go plant the herbs, but the herbs go inside, so I'm gonna go back over there. So we can plant them inside. This is nasty. It's wet and I'm wearing sandals. So we're putting the chamomile and lavender together, and they are probably gonna have to go outside after they grow out and flower. It smells so good. Gosh, my video stopped because somebody texted me. See, I hate when my phone does this. Apple, fix it. Let's see, oregano and basil, curry and cilantro, rosemary and thyme. What are you? Chamomile and lavender, and you have regular mint and chocolate mint. And these are our herbs. And then she has the aloe plant over there. Then we have an aloe plant. Oh gosh, she's breaking things. And here's our little aloe garden. I mean aloe. Here's our little herb garden. It's cute. It's just fancy. Anyway, that was all for today's video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on the post notification bell to be notified whenever I post a video. To become a creator today, I will see you next time with a brand new video. Bye.